Welcome back everyone to Foxtecc. If you're here, you're probably either considering getting a cellular iPad and want to learn more about how the SIM card works, or you already have one and need to remove the SIM. Either way, I'm here to walk you through everything you need to know. So, let's start with a bit of background. In previous generations of iPad models, specifically the cellular versions of the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, there was a physical SIM card slot. This meant that you could easily insert or remove a physical SIM card whenever you needed to. However, with the newer iPad models, Apple has made a shift. Now, all cellular iPad models are equipped solely with an eSIM, which means there's no physical SIM card to remove. But if you're dealing with an older iPad that does have a physical SIM card slot, here's what you need to do to remove the SIM card. First, locate the SIM card tray on the side of your iPad. It's a small, often overlooked part of the device, but it's there. You'll need a SIM ejector tool to get the tray out. If you don't have one, a paper clip will work just fine. Straighten out the paper clip and insert it into the small hole beside the SIM card tray. Apply gentle pressure and the tray should pop out slightly. From there, you can pull out the SIM card tray completely and remove the SIM card from the tray. It's a simple process, but you need to be gentle to avoid damaging the tray or the card. Now, if you have a more recent iPad model that uses an eSIM, things are a bit different. Since there's no physical SIM card, you don't need to take anything out physically. Instead, you manage everything from the iPad's settings. To remove the eSIM, open the Settings app and navigate to the cellular section. If you're using a Wi-Fi only model, you won't even see this option, but on a cellular model, it'll be there. In the cellular section, locate your phone number, tap on it, and scroll down until you see the red button that says Delete eSIM. Tap that and your eSIM will be removed from the device. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're dealing with an older iPad with a physical SIM or a newer model with an eSIM, you now know exactly how to remove it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tips and tutorials just like this. See you guys later.